All right, so welcome back everyone, Triple M here, and today I got a very cool hack to show you, and this can work for your Fire Stick, your TiVo Stream 4K, or any streaming device that you have and want to take on the road with you. So for me, this will work in a lot of different scenarios. Maybe you're in the airport, maybe you're on vacation somewhere that doesn't necessarily have a TV handy or a monitor, or you don't have a monitor handy. You can now connect your Fire Stick, your TiVo Stream to your laptop, watch your movies, watch your content, and when you're done, unplug it, put it in your bag, and take off. So we're taking a look at a portable USB capture card. This is from NewTek. This only costs $25, and from my experience, this has less latency than my Elgato capture card, which costs over $100. So I'm not gonna talk too long. I am on my Fire Stick, guys. My Fire Stick is being powered by my computer, and also the capture card is plugged directly into the computer via USB. So all you need is two USB connections, and you can see everything there is going. So let's go ahead and we'll just launch, let's launch YouTube first. All right, so I was playing one of my videos right there. All right, so you can see that worked flawlessly. Don't want to go into any copyright videos, but let's just click on that for a brief second. You can see everything's working there. If we go back to, let's try NBC Peacock. All right, so I have a couple shows there that we're watching. You see that's working flawlessly. All right, so there it is, full screen. And like I said, guys, this is my Fire Stick, so I can pause it, I can rewind, I can hit the home button. Audio playback is actually synced, which I was surprised. The latency on this is pretty good, guys. There is a slight delay, and I'll try to demo this. It's probably about a quarter to half of a second. So check this out when I press the button. So there is a little bit delayed, but for me, this is a lot better than my Elgato capture card, which costs probably about 3 times as much. Also wanted to mention that I will be giving 2 of these away, so stay tuned, watch the entire video. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit the subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So all you need essentially, laptop with power. You'll need some kind of a Wi-Fi, so maybe an airport, or maybe you're doing a hotspot or whatever you're using. You will need a network connection for the Fire Stick, not necessarily your laptop. This will also be ideal for your TiVo Stream 4K, and the cool thing about that is that it uses a micro USB, which means you can just plug it directly into the side of your computer and you have power. So I'm going to get into the configuration, not just the hardware configuration, but what you need to do with the software. This is going to be plug and play, guys. You don't need proprietary software. Plug it in, open OBS, tweak a couple settings, and you're all set. So let's go ahead and jump into the details. So the first thing I wanted to do is just show you what's in the box and go over some of the product details. So this is a NewTek HDMI USB video capture card, guys. It is USB 2.0. The max supported input resolution is 4K. The supported output is 1080p, so keep that in mind. As far as your color support, you have 8, 10, as well as 12-bit deep color. Supports AWG26. As far as the software, it works with basically anything that's compatible, guys. So if you use VLC, if you use OBS, if you use AmCamp, it will work. It does have support for Windows, Android, as well as Mac OS. So that's basically it. Let's just take a look at what's in the box. This unboxing is going to be pretty easy. So these are the only 3 things that actually comes in the box. So the first one is going to be the actual capture card. Just says HDMI capture on the front. Output is going to be USB. This is where you're going to actually plug in your HDMI device. So whether it's a Fire Stick, whether it's a camera, anything that basically uses HDMI should work properly on this. So we have the booklet as well. It's going to give you some information how you can use this. All right, you can see The laptop demo there is the prime example. And the last thing in the box is a USB extension. So that will come in handy if you don't have the room. You can just go ahead and plug it in like this. Plug this into your computer, plug your HDMI device in here, and you're all set. So the software that we're going to be using for this is OBS Studio. So we'll go ahead and launch it. So the first thing you need to do when you get into OBS is add a source. So you're going to go to sources, you're going to hit the plus button. We're going to go down to video capture device. Click on it, and now we're just going to give it a name. I'm just going to name mine HDMI dongle. Next, we're going to just click OK. Once you click OK on the devices, hit the drop down, and we're looking for USB video. That should switch the input. So before we leave this screen, make sure you set your audio. That way the audio will pass through to your computer speakers. So to do that, I'm going to go all the way down. So on the output mode, we're going to click on use custom audio device. Click on it. And where it says digital audio, we're going to leave it right there. We're going to click OK. And now we only have 2 more steps to do, guys. So next, we're going to go to our settings on OBS. And we're going to go to audio. And where it says monitor and device, we're going to hit that drop down. We want to make sure we select our speakers, headphones, or if you guys have an audio interface, whatever device you want the audio to come out, that's what you're going to select. So click on it, and we're going to click apply. I'm going to click OK, and we have 1 more step. So the last step next to our audio devices, we're going to click on our settings. We're going to click on advanced options, and where it says HDMI dongle, you're going to go to the right, and on the drop down, guys, you have 3 options. The monitor is either off, monitor only, mute output, monitor, and output. So depending what you're doing, guys, I just select monitor and output for this setup. And then I hit close. So once you do that, the last step you need to do is just make your device full screen. So to get to the full screen, just right click anywhere right there in the gray area. We're going to go to full screen preview, select the monitor that you want it to be full screen on. And there you go. Everything's working. And everything's working well. So cool little hack. Like I said, this was $25 on Amazon. I will be leaving a link in the description. Also, 2 of them for the giveaway. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you're going to use this video capture card for, and I will pick a winner with the random picker in a couple days. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smash a thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.